Hi, yellow spellers. This week we are talking about the long E and long O vowel sounds. You can spell the long E vowel sound with EA. You can also spell the long E vowel sound with EE. Long O can be spelled with OA. And it can also be spelled with OW. So let's first look at EA. If I look at your words, seated. We were seated at the theater. Seated. That's spelled E-A. E does the talking, A does the walking. So you don't hear the A sound, you only hear the E sound. This A makes this a long E vowel sound, because otherwise it would be seated, and that's not a word. So seated, this A makes it a long E vowel sound. Means, she means well. Clean, ooh, I bet you're doing a lot of cleaning now. Keep cleaning to stay healthy. Is that all of them? Okay, let's go to long E, double E vowel sound, or double E spelling pattern. Keeps. Miss Barrett keeps giving us new words every week. Keeps. Seen. I haven't seen my students for weeks now. Seen. Speed. You should never go over the speed limit. Speed. Okay, let's talk about the long O vowel sound. Spelling pattern OA. Roast. You roast a turkey. You roast a chicken. You roast some beef. Roast makes the O sound. You hear O's name. O does the talking, A does the walking. But because that A is there, it makes it a long O vowel sound. Groan. Maybe if there's something that you really don't want to do, you might groan. Okay, let's look at long O vowel sounds. Spelling pattern OW. Crow. You only hear the long O. Crow. Crow is a type of bird. It's a black bird. O. Now, usually you think O is OH. Like, oh, I didn't realize that. But this kind of O, OWE, that kind of O is like, I owe you something, or I owe you some money because I borrowed some from you earlier. O. Groan. Now, we had groan over here, and it's spelled different. This type of groan is like you're making a noise, like, oh, I don't want to do that. And this kind of groan is maybe if you see a relative, they might say to you, oh my, you have grown so much since the last time I saw you. Grown. This is how much you have grown. Bowls. Maybe if you eat cereal. Maybe if you're eating different types of cereal or different types of ice cream, you have multiple bowls. I think that's it. These are your words for the week.